Okay, guys, big news this Tuesday afternoon, and right when markets closed, first on NDTV Profit, that finally this whole mystery over who gets Tuesday and who gets Thursday has been solved. NSE, we are learning, will get its expiry day on Tuesday and BSE on Thursday. Now, Sajid, I want you to start on why this is such a big deal and why everyone's been waiting to hear the outcome of this.
Because it all depends upon the turnover of the exchange, right? Because BSE is a listed entity and a large part of the turnover comes from the premium turnover traded on a weekly options. NSE has a weekly option so far on a Thursday and BSE has it on Tuesday, and so the number of trades a trader does on for going into a Tuesday expiry or going into a Thursday expiry depends, takes into account the kind of turnover that exchange can earn.
Yeah, so in net NSE probably stands to be a beneficiary. I'm just thrilled about the fact, guys, that this came in right before market hours. We broke it on NDTV Profit. We kind of spoke about it for 10 minutes, and I hope viewers got a slice of what it means by watching our broadcast. And of course, tomorrow morning, the entire analysis, as also today evening, the entire analysis on NDTV Profit and all our social media platforms.
Yeah, absolutely. In terms of stock impact, first impact you're probably going to see is on BSE. It's the only one because NSE will see a pre-market impact.
NSE today in the off-market transaction.
Off-market.
And BSE on-market.
So that is a whole different, but that's a much smaller group of people. You'll probably get more messages. Wait a minute. You're going to get more text messages from your broker saying pre-IPO rate, and that rate jumping up 40% up, I think, in the last couple of weeks or so on the NSE pre-market rate. So that's likely to jump, but from a listed perspective, BSE will take a bit of a dive. Having said that, my only question to you guys is BSE is still the only game in town in terms of a listed exchange.
We have to go through the numbers, but my initial estimate says that because BSE has been doing this for last a year and a half, a lot of investors are now used to BSE as well because the transaction charges are
most
cheaper. So there will be a shift of the turnover to NSE that will happen for sure. But it's not that it's going to be zero for BSE tomorrow.
So Wednesday onwards they'll pick up. Is that what you're saying?
Wednesday, Thursday they will get it. NSE will get Friday, Monday, and Tuesday. That's going to be there. And
One
weekend
extra day.
and weekend uncertainty will make sure that the premiums are much higher, so the turnover which NSE earns is much higher.
Also, the start of the week volumes will actually come into NSE, which will be very, very important. So let's wait and watch.
Okay.